Hello guys, I'm JD here at Guarantee RV. Today we are taking a look at a 198 Murphy bed built by Sundance Heartland. It is gonna be a non-slide out unit with a power awning and a solar ready prep on the side. You will have a place for two propane tanks and then two batteries. And then onto the inside of the coach. Alright guys, so once we get inside of this coach, it is going to be a Murphy bed. So you are walking straight into your couch. That is going to be facing directly into your TV. And then once you start walking down the hall, you'll get your farm style sink. Right beside that is going to be your stove and oven and your microwave up above. You will get your bathroom right across from that. And then you will get the fridge, which is going to be slightly bigger with your freezer. But the nice thing is you will have the big back windows with that U-shape kind of dinette that drops down into a bed. So if you do have any company, they can kind of enjoy themselves back there, and you can still have privacy. So that'd be nice. Thank you for taking a look. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call at 541-232-4465. Thank you.